Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it has been a while, so I'm going to be dropping another video sometime soon explaining why I have been away from YouTube. Okay, so today in this video I'm going to be unboxing my new baby. So I got a new tripod. I've always wanted to get a new tripod because the one I was making use of before, I'm going to put it here for you to see. That one got bad. It didn't last. Like, it didn't last at all. I wouldn't say I regret buying it, but yeah. So this is the Weifeng WT3560. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing this for you guys to see in case there's anyone out there thinking of buying a tripod. So this is just me doing an unboxing and showing you how to set this up, okay? Because yeah, we need something like that. Okay, so now let's get right into this. Okay, so okay, this is it. So this is actually a camera or camcorder tripod. So maybe later in future you want to get a tripod for your camera. You don't need to think about that. This is very useful. You can use it for your phone, you can use it for your camera. Okay, so this is straight out of the box. It comes with a bag. Okay, so if you want to travel, very nice, very okay. Now let's just see what's inside this. Okay, so here it came with a phone holder. This is a phone holder for us to put our phone, so I'm going to be setting it. It also comes with a Bluetooth shutter. I guess that's the name, that's what they call it, a Bluetooth shutter. So maybe you want to film and my mobile phone is right there. You can also use it for your camera. You can connect it with the Bluetooth and then you film. Or maybe you want to take pictures on your own. You don't need somebody to help you out or anything. This is a very good lifesaver. Yeah, it's a lifesaver, trust me. Okay, so now for the main event of the night. Okay, this is my new baby. You can see the joy, like the joy is wow. Like, look at this. This is really nice. Okay, this is it. This is how it comes. Okay, so I'm going to be setting this up for you guys to see. I love the fact that the bottom is, you know, any position you put it is going to lap because it's, I don't know how to call it, it's rotated moves. You get me. You get me. You okay? So this is it. My God, when I saw the advert for this, I was wowed. It even has somewhere we can hold it, you know, like you can carry it easily like this, and it's not that heavy though, but it's there. It's just there. You get me? So wow, the length is like, this is my height and this is not actually the full length. This is not actually the full length. Let me just open it up completely for you guys to see. Like oh my God. Okay, that's all, and I'll just drop it right here. Okay, this is what we're having right here. Okay, so there's something over here. Like I said, it's not, this is not the full length. Like, this is not the full length. Let me show you the full length now. This baby is literally, not literally, it's actually taller than me. Okay, this is it. So there's something right here that you can actually turn. Like, I don't know if you remember all these olden days cars that we used to have, like olden days cars. the way we used to wind the window and all that, or maybe a tape. I don't really know the name, but you get me. So it has something like that over here, and it just this is it. Okay, we're almost the same height, but yeah, you get me. This is my baby. My baby is right here. I don't know why it's coming down. Maybe it's because I touched it. This is my baby. Okay. This is it. This is it. And you can actually move this. Like, let me bring it down so that you guys can see properly. Okay, I don't even know if it even caught when I raised it, but I'm going to film it on its own for you guys to see how it is alone. Okay, so okay, don't really know how to use it that well, but yeah, you can bend it any way you want, and maybe you are filming something and you just want to do a B-roll or stuff like that. You can actually rotate it. Rotates 360. You see it. This is actually so nice. It's really nice. It's good. Like, I don't see myself regretting why I bought this. Oh, come to think of it, I didn't even say how much I got it. So I got this from Debbie. She has an Instagram store. She has an Instagram page. Okay, so I got it from Debbie. You can chat her up on Instagram. It's a good investment. It's a good investment. So if you want to insert the phone holder, let me show you how it's done. Okay, because I think we may have a little challenge with it if you don't know how to use it. So there's something over here. There's something here that you unlock. You can unlock, okay, for this to come out, for this over here to come out. Okay, so this is actually for the camera. Once you remove this is for the mobile phone. Okay, this is where you put your mobile phone when you put it here. Okay, you get me? And you insert your camera here if you have a camera, and you lock it back. Okay, you can lock it back. That's the lock. So I'll be showing you how to insert the phone holder on this. So this is the phone holder it came with, and this is how it looks like. This is the phone holder. You can take it to a landscape or a portrait, any which way. This is how you set it for a YouTube. This is how you can lay it down if you want to film for YouTube, and maybe you want to do Instagram reels, TikTok videos and all that. You can easily put your phone this way so you can see how good this is. So for you to insert this, let me come in closer for you guys to see. For you to insert this, there's something here at the back. Okay, and I don't know if you can see it. There's something here at the back. You just hold that. When you put it on the screw here, you place it on it. Once you place it on the screw there, just right there, then you hold it. Okay, you just turn it to screw it in. You just turn it to screw it in. Okay, that's it. Just keep turning it so you know it's properly tight, and your phone will come off from this. Okay, your phone can't come off from this. It's properly tight already, and you just put it back. We set it back to the tripod. Okay, you set it back to the tripod just like this. Okay, and don't forget to lock it. Don't forget to lock it back. Okay, this is the lock, like I told you before. Lock it back, and it's properly secured and all. Okay, so you take it back, and this is what this baby looks like. She's giving good vibes. Okay, so no matter where you want to sit, no matter where you want to film, this can actually get a very good angle. And there's one other thing, there's something right here. So to bend your phone, but I don't really see a use of this because you can actually put this in any way you want. Okay, you can actually turn it any way you want, so I don't see a use for this, but maybe it will be useful for some people. Okay, you can just open this up and there you go. It's another way for you to place your phone if you want to do Instagram reels or TikTok videos and all that. But to me, I don't really see a use for this. If I want to do TikTok videos, I can easily just, you know, rotate this however I want, and that's good to go. You get me? So yeah, this is it for my unboxing, my new baby. Yeah, this is now part of my YouTube family. Okay, this is one of us right now. This baby is now one of us. So yeah, I'll be leaving the link to her Instagram account down below in the description, so if you want to get it from her, you can as well get it. I'll also be inserting a picture of how it looks like, okay, and how it is in the box. Okay, so remember, the name of the tripod is a Weifeng WT3560. okay, this is the box, this is how it comes, and it's a camera or camcorder tripod. This is it. This is how it is, so you can see that this is how it is. Okay, and this is how it is. No, I didn't really talk about the length, the millimeter and all that, because even me, I don't even know what is the MMO whatever. But yeah, you actually saw the length. It was higher than me. Okay, so you don't even have to open the two legs. You can actually use just one because it's actually a sit down video, except you stand to film your videos, then yeah, you can open two legs. But this is really good if you are looking for tripods to invest in YouTube that will take you on a long run. Yes, on a long run. We're talking about long-time investments, not investments that with time they will die. Okay, so this is a long-time investment, and I'm happy I made this investment for my channel. I'm back on YouTube, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, okay, and comment on the video. Yeah, thank you. Engage in this video, subscribe, okay. And I'm so grateful for those who subscribe to my channel even though I was away. Guys, I'm now in 506 subscribers, and there's no way I can say thank you, like, to show my gratitude. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I truly really appreciate. Okay, so see you next week when I post a new video right here on YouTube. Bye.